I participate in a low-risk, decentralized passive income ROI protocol that pays 2% interest each and every day, called ARK FI. Like many crypto protocols, it requires that I purchase BNB from time to time. As a team leader, I find myself spending a lot of time guiding my members through the process of converting Bitcoin or BTC to BNB via Kucoin. I live in New York, the regulation state. Unfortunately, there are no exchanges that currently operate here that will allow me to purchase BNB directly from them. You can, however, purchase BTC here and then send it to Kucoin, where you can then swap it for BNB. This video assumes that you've already purchased BTC and simply need a venue to swap it for BNB. The goal of this tutorial is to provide a step-by-step guide to swapping the BTC, or any other coin for that matter, for BNB. So let's get started. When you log into Kucoin, look for the Markets tab along the top of the page and then click on it. Look to make certain that BTC is listed. If you look all the way over to its right, you'll see the words Detail and Trade listed under the Action column. Go ahead and click on Trade. On the screen presented before you, by default you will see BTC/USDT listed in the upper left-hand corner. Click on the small down arrow right next to it to open up a drop-down menu that will let you select various combinations of coins. In the drop-down menu, select BNB/BTC from that drop-down menu. With BNB/BTC now appearing in the upper left corner, make certain that you have it selected and then enter your 6-digit trading password here. Next, click on Market and then on 100%. Finally, click on the Buy BNB button at the bottom of the screen, and when you do, a Buy Confirm dialog box will pop up on your screen. Congratulations! You have just successfully swapped BTC for BNB on Kucoin. Now let's get that crypto into our wallet. Let's start by clicking on Assets in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on Assets will open up a drop-down menu containing all the various account types available to you here on Kucoin. Click on Trading Account. When the Trading Account screen opens, note that the amount of BNB that you just purchased appears in the Available Amount column. At the end of the row, you will see the words Trade and Transfer. Click on Transfer. This screen will allow us to move the BNB that we just purchased from the trading account to the main account. Make certain that the trading account is on the left and the main account is on the right. If they aren't, you can click here to reverse their direction. Next, make certain that you've selected the BNB coin from the drop-down menu. Now click on the available amount or enter the amount of BNB that you wish to withdraw. Finally, click on Confirm to complete the transfer of your BNB funds from your trading account to your main account. When you do, a pop-up will confirm that you have successfully completed the transfer and you'll be brought back to your trading account page. Now that we've completed the BTC for BNB swap and transferred the funds from the trading account to our main account, It's now time to withdraw our funds from the main account and into our wallets. So let's do it. Click on the folder icon located near the top right corner of the trading account screen. When the drop-down menu opens, select Main Account from the list of account options. Okay, now from the list of menu choices listed across the top of the Main Account page, click on Withdraw. Here you'll be presented with the withdrawal screen. Make certain that BNB appears in your selected coin field. Select BSC, that's BNB Smart Chain, from the drop-down menu. Enter your personal wallet ID in this field. After you do, check it to make sure that you entered it correctly. And then check it again. Now enter the amount of BNB that you wish to withdraw, or select all. The amount of BNB that you've elected to withdraw will be reflected at the bottom of the screen, and the withdraw button will become activated. So go ahead and click on Withdraw. When the confirmation screen appears, click on Confirm. But wait, it wouldn't hurt to take this opportunity to check once again to make sure that all of the information you entered is correct. When prompted, enter your trading password and then request your SMS verification code by clicking on Send Code. When you receive your SMS verification code, enter it here. And then, finally, click on the Submit button to send your BNB to your wallet. Last but not least, click on the Confirm button. Wait a minute or two for the funds to complete their transfer, and then check your wallet. That's all there is to it. Well, that concludes this video on converting BTC to BNB on the Kucoin website. If you found it helpful, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to learn more about ArkFi, please check out my other videos. For your convenience, I've included several helpful links in the notes section below.